Hello everybody, in this video you will learn how to write simple formula based program in Python, and we will also learn how to accept a value from the user using input function. So let's write the program. This is the editor of Python. So here we write down, we take variables p. Suppose this is the program to calculate simple interest. So I have taken a variable p equals to, suppose if your data will be in integer, then you take it int. If it will be in float value, then you take float. So here we write down int. Then in the bracket we provide a input function which will allow user to enter a principal amount. So input enter, under double quotation mark you will write down enter principal amount. So whatever statement you can want, you can provide here. So enter principal amount. We will close this because this is the input function. Here you can see that here we have written int because this is integer kind. Then this input function, this bracket starts from here and it will end over here. So the same thing we will write down for accepting rate and time from the user. So we write down r equals to, now rate can be float, so you write down float. Again input, this will prompt user to enter a value, so enter rate. Then we will accept time also, time equals to float. We can take time also in float value, float. So input enter time. So we have taken principal, rate and time from the user. So now we are going to apply the formula. We all know the formula for calculating simple interest is SI equals to P into R into T divided by 100. So we have taken a variable SI and we write down P into R into T divided by 100. So this is your simple interest formula. In the same program we can also calculate the compound interest. So I'm taking a formula variable CI equals to P. The formula for for compound interest is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. So let's see how to write down that. So P into 1 plus R slash 100, because this is R by 100. Now here this will be P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. So to the power of N, that can be written by using 2 stars to the power of N, T. So N is the time, and then so this is the and then we can subtract the principal amount to get the compound interest. So this is your formula for compound interest. The next thing we will print. So print, we write down simple interest is comma SI, and we also print compound interest is CI, because we have stored it in CI. So we have completed our program. Now let's execute this. Run module. So source must be saved. OK to save. So here we will save our program. Suppose we save it with SI1. We have saved. Now you will be asked to enter principal amount. So suppose this is 1000. You will be asked to enter rate. Suppose the rate is 2.5. Then time, suppose time is 1.6 Then let's see, the simple interest is 40.0 and compound interest is 40.299. So this is how you can, this is a simple program we have learned how to write. This is formula based program written in Python. So this is the code where we can accept a value from the user using input function, and simple formula we have applied to calculate simple interest and compound interest. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.